Just how are you supposed to get donations for your PTO from businesses? Like, is there some magic formula involved? Is there some special wording you need to use? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And I got to tell you, there actually is no magic formula, and it just is a matter of keeping at it and actually asking for what you need in a clear and concise way. Most businesses get a lot of donation requests, so you need to be wise about timing. So usually you want to steer clear of fourth quarter requests. So anything from like October through December is going to be a harder time for businesses to give a donation to you, because likely they've already been asked by other organizations and nonprofits and charities for the first 3 quarters, and they might not have anything left. A lot of businesses have a set amount that they can give every year, and so if you are asking at the end of the year, well, they may have run out of that budget item, right? So ask early. I always encourage people to ask in person, because I think that goes a lot further than just sending them a letter. Like, that can so easily be dismissed. I think when you have that like human connection and you actually go in and ask to talk with the manager, or ask to leave a letter with the manager, or get some kind of connection with the human that you're talking with, that can go a really long way. Then you need to make sure to follow up. If you're not able to talk with the manager, ask when they'll be in. Like, it's worth a return trip to get an actual donation. So if you are spending all this time and you're going out and you're just asking once, you might get a donation from like maybe a quarter of the businesses that you're asking from. But what about the 75% left, right? It's worth a follow-up trip. You may have come at the wrong time for whatever reason. You have no idea what's going on with them. Also look for businesses that have like kind of a connection to your school, or would be servicing your school population. For example, you could ask daycare centers, you could ask preschools, you could ask nail salons, because a lot of moms get their nails done. You could ask hair salons, because everybody needs to get their hair cut, right? So just look for something that is more of a deeper connection than, let's say, an insurance company. So you might have like a local insurance brokerage company. Yes, everyone should have insurance, but that's not as closely connected as a preschool or even a toy store or something like that. Also, make sure that you're hitting every sort of business, including government. So you could be asking your city hall for a pool pass or a spray park pass, or your rec department for a free t-ball sign up. Ask your local YMCA. A lot of these places will like to trade the publicity that you can give them, or the highlight that you give to the businesses in exchange for a small donation. You ask anybody who wants or needs or could do well with good promotion from your school or from your PTO, right? Anybody that needs PR, which is everybody, you should ask. And so if you are following these rules where you're asking businesses that are related to schools or parents, or the needs of schools and parents and kids, that will go a long way, as well as the timing of your request and making sure that you request in person, but certainly take a letter with you. And if you're a 501c3, don't forget to put that information on the letter too, because a lot of businesses will only donate to nonprofits. They don't want to be donating to for-profits, which if you're a nonprofit, then you are technically a for-profit, even if you are acting like a nonprofit. So that's why it's really important to have that 501c3 certification, or designation rather. So I hope this is super helpful for you, and I hope that you're able to get more donations from businesses with these quick tips. If you enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can get more videos just like this one. Until next time, you guys, I am Christina Heidick with PTO Answers. Want even more guidance on how to be a stronger leader so you can run a better PTO or PTA? All these resources and more are waiting for you at PTOanswers.com.